Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to Kwankyewaa's kitchen, so come along with me, let's go. I am recreating her pineapple shrimp fried rice. This recipe was super simple, and I said to myself that I'm going to recreate it. So without wasting time, I want to thank all of you that keep coming back to watch our videos. Thank you for your love and support. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell. That way you get notified each time we upload new video. So without wasting time, let me show you all the ingredients that we'll be using for this recipe. So over here I have the star of the day, pineapple, well washed. So over here I have my cooked rice, some shallots, soy sauce, vegetable oil, minced ginger, diced carrots, 4 eggs, shrimps, peas. I have black pepper and aromat, salt to taste. The first thing we are going to do today is to cut our pineapple. I'm going to cut the pineapple. Just take your time. This is really tricky to cut it because I'm going to serve in the pineapple bowl. Okay, I want to get it right. Okay, this way. Oops. And then slice the pineapple. Make sure you don't allow the knife to touch the skin. So now I'm going to okay. Now I'm going to scoop. Just take your time and scoop all the pineapple. So I'm going to make sure that I scoop everything because we are going to serve the rice in here. Even though my pineapple is small, we are going to enjoy the rice in this bowl. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on this one. As you can see, we are done. This is the bowl. I'm going to set it aside and dice some pineapple for our fried rice. So this is the much I'll be using for the rice. I'm going to set it aside. Now I just added little vegetable oil for my egg. We're going to fry our egg first. So here I have my egg. I'm going to add some little salt then Aromat. Some Aromat, then whips. Now our egg is ready. I'm going to set it aside. Now we are going to add more oil in our pan and then throw in our ginger. There it. Followed by carrots, so I am using already cooked shrimp. Now I just added our peas, mix, so to make this vegetable, to make it taste good, I'm going to add little Aromat. Just about a teaspoon of Aromat. Then our pineapple. Then mix, mix, mix. Now I'm going to add the shrimps so that it will absorb the flavor from the pineapple and yeah. Look at that. Now I'm going to add the eggs, mix, it's time to add the rice. Now I'm adding the rice. Okay guys, I later transferred it to a bigger pot because my pan is small, so I need a bigger pot to combine everything together. So that is it. Now I'm going to add our soy sauce. Everything is almost ready. Wow. Look at that. Now I'm going to add our shallots. If you don't like too much shallots, you can add to your taste. But I love this. Everything is ready. I am glad, super happy that I tried out this recipe. It's worth it. It's worth trying, especially this bunch of shallot. It makes more different, much different in this rice. Everything is good. Woo! I love the color, I love everything. So our food is ready. We are going to serve it now and pretend that we are somewhere having good time. Oh my days. Okay guys, we are done cooking. I'm going to travel in my mind today. Travel. I will travel in my mind. Look at it. Look at the, oh my days. Look at it. It looks so good, so beautiful. The taste of this rice is the pineapple. I'm glad that I tried this recipe. Thank you, my sister Kwankyewaa. This recipe is good and it worth trying. Thank you for this recipe. I can't thank you enough, and I love you so much, you know. I love you. I'm going to travel in my mind now and enjoy my pineapple shrimp fried rice. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your love and support. I don't take it for granted. If you are new here, please remember to subscribe, okay? Love you all as always. Till I see you in our next video. Thank you and always be positive. Bye guys.